Hi, this is Mr. Bentley, and this video is to help walk you through the process of setting up a user account at the Board Game Arena website. That is the website we will use to play our virtual board games during the summer term on our Friday virtual board game days. So to go about that, you need to open up a Chrome browser and make sure that you're logged in to Google Chrome with your student login credentials. This would be the same thing you would need if you were accessing our Google Classroom. And if you're not logged into that, you just come up here to this little circle, or it might have a little blue button that says sign in. You click on that, and if it's the button that says sign in, it'll take you straight to a place where you enter your email address. If it gives you this prompt, you just click on add another account. Here's where you put in your student email, which is going to be your student ID at students.avhsd.org. You click next, and then you would enter in your password, and then that would load your student credentials onto your Chrome browser. I just need to push back, so we're gonna. Once you've done that, it'll bring you to here, and you'll have your Google credentials in. Very nice. So to access the Board Game Arena website, we're going to go to, in the search bar, we're going to put in Board Game Arena, hit enter, and then the first search find that has there, Board Game Arena, we're going to click on that. And it will bring you to this page. Join the largest board gaming table in the world. And that is exactly what you want to do. We're going to come down here to where it says Start Playing Now. And it will walk you through the process of creating an account. What you are going to do is you're going to come over here to where it says Create an account with Google. You want to create an account with Google. This is important. This will make logging in much, much easier in the future. So you're going to click on this Create an Account with Google button, and it will bring you up your account. I'm using this account. This is an example account that I made, but you would select your account that has your name and your student ID number, email. I'm going to click on that, and it will bring you this here. This is where you will create your username. Now, a username is what the website will show to others. It will show them that name. So you want to be careful that you don't use anything that is personally identifiable. You don't want to use some significant personal information. You may choose to put maybe your first name, but try to keep your personal information safe. That is part of being a responsible person using the internet, is that you keep your personal information safe. So for this example, I'm going to make the name Mr. Benny. I like that one. So Mr. Benny. And I'm going to click on the Start Playing Now button. Okay. Now, if you put in a username and it tells you that username is already taken, then you'll need to create a different one. So you might just add a number to the end of the one you already had, or you might need to create a different one. But just remember that if someone has already taken that username, if someone already has that, then you will need to create a new one that is yours, that is personal. Okay, so we will bring up this page, and it will give you a couple of options. Do you want to stay connected when using this web browser? Yes, I do. Now there's a process that it usually has new users go through. We're going to skip that because we're using this specifically to work together as our class. We don't need to do the additional things that it's asking for us. So we're going to click on the skip this step. And it will bring up this one. It will say Discover Board Game Arena, Can't Stop Tutorial. We are also going to skip this step. Okay, and it will ask you are you sure? And you will say, yes, I am sure. Confirm. Okay, so now we are on this prompt here. We're going to click on this tab right here, and we'll put down Simple Game and Real Time. And then, okay. So it's going to require you to click through a couple of things where you just click continue. That in this one, oh, I'm already friends with Mr. Bentley. That you, once you reach this stage, this website right here, that you will probably not see Mr. Bentley here. You will probably see this right here where it will have this blue button that says add a friend. I doubt that you're going to see Mr. Bentley there. I'm not quite sure why I'm there. That's interesting. But you will, if you do not see Mr. Bentley there, you will need to load me or add me as a friend. And that's actually pretty easy to do. You come to this blue button here, you click on it. Will both you and your friend share the same screen? No. Is your friend registered on Board Game Arena? Yes. And you will type in the name Mr. Bentley. And you'll find that, oh, as you start typing the letters, it will narrow it down until you see Mr. Bentley. You will click on Mr. Bentley. Oh, and it does a little nice thing. You get a trophy for adding a friend. Now, sometimes that using this website as you're playing games or doing other activities, it will tell you that you earned a trophy. And that's just kind of their nice little way of saying, good job, you did something that was good. Okay, so now you will, after you do that, you will have Mr. Bentley as your friend. It actually may require me to confirm you as a friend, but once you enter in the friend request, I will make sure that you are connected, and then you are ready to start participating in the board game activity. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough in my next video on how to go ahead and participate in that. So, right, very good. If you have any questions on how to create an account, please let me know and I will help you. Bye.